stuck in our tents. Can you hear it? That's the wind. We arrived at campsite and it's blowing hard. It's raining hard. It's on and off, but now it's been raining really hard. Yeah, that's Kervin panicking. We couldn't cook. It's just drenched, raining cats and dogs. Even the guides, even the other groups. So it's looking really grim. Tomorrow, we're not sure. We're leaning on the side of aborting. Say if it's 2 a.m. it's still really, really cloudy. It's best not to push here. Because even if it's not raining, there won't be any clearing.
After years of preparation, we made it to Bulusan Volcano Natural Park. Climbing Bulusan for the third time. First time videoing this. So much has changed. So well funded. Look at this. Like I said, it's like probably the best park management in the country. And not kidding. Look at this. This is the reception. So look at the parking. It's all structured. That's the registration. They even have a restaurant there. Proper washrooms. Waiting area. Check this out. It's Kervin. What do you say, Kervin? Awesome, right? Impressive. Very impressive. Here's a map of Bulusan. See, they even have PWD access. This is what you get for good governance. See, they even have carts for assistance for the elderly, the disabled, a canteen. Oh, scrumptious. Well, we haven't seen Paul in a long time. 3 years. Glad you're back. What can you say about this park? The reception. Impressive, eh?
Yeah. Seems like an international natural park.
Yeah, it's world class. And here's our porter. Kuya, super lakas. There. So, we go for orientation and then have our blood pressure check. Our stuff. Yeah, they're very organized here. They'll go to the kayak area and then start the hike. Well, get some clearance first. Check this out. We even have a service to the lake. Sold the registration. Still looks nice. Yeah, Bulusan Lake. Check this out. Look at the jump off. Woo! So that's one of the peaks we're gonna go to. Mount Bulusan or Bulusan Volcano in Sorsogon rises to 1,565 meters above sea level and is one of the active volcanoes in the Philippines. The trekking route actually begins by kayaking across the lake, which is a fun, adventurous, and unique way to warm up before the trek. At the other end of the lake lies a trailhead, which immediately takes the hiker to a pristine tropical forest wherein a diverse range of flora and fauna can be found. Almost 7 kilometers into this forest, which has a moderate slope, brings you the ranger station, which is a small hut that marks the halfway point between Lake Bulusan and Lake Aguingay, which serves as the campsite. From the campsite, there is a rainforest, but much of this assault requires hiking or scrambling up a steep slope covered by coconut grass and then completing on a semi-scree slope leading to the summit crater. Can't say enough how Philip has done so much awesome work here in Bulusan. You know, has been a park since 1935, but since Philip Bartlett went hands-on on this, it just grew and grew. A lot of development here, and then with the local support of Senator Jesus Cordero, it gets more funding. It was already impressive back then. When last time I was here in 2014. But now, like, it's world-class. The facilities, infrastructure, even the guides are well-trained, they're well-equipped, and the trail is so unreal. Later you'll see. So this is the trailhead. Supposedly this is the exit, but the trailhead, they're still fixing it, they're still clearing it up. So we're gonna be doing out and back here. Campsite. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Ah, look at the campsite. So Kervin finally made it. Beautiful campsite. Look how vast this is. So flat. Tents here are for the workers. We can pitch our tents here. Yep. Brings back memories.
This is thunder. We're hungry, we're cold. The only thing we can do now is wait out.
It's colder than we anticipated, but now we're getting some clearing. It's one of those times that we don't get cloud, we don't get rain, so we're taking advantage of it. It's still uncertain for tomorrow whether we're going to proceed or not. If the weather's bad, if it's really cloudy, overcast at 2 a.m, we have to head back and come back again. Third time is not the charm.
Okay, all our clothes are wet.
Okay, lights out. What time is it? 7:05. I'm gonna be up at 1:30. Hoping the weather's gonna be better. Right now, the sky is calm. It's clear. Well, partly cloudy. So, plan is to hike up at 3 a.m. and be there by sunrise and head down back again really fast because we have to catch our ride back to the bus station at 12 or 11:30. So it's a lot of time to manage going down. You have to cook, break camp, and then run down. Hopefully we can run down. We're hoping for a good weather so we get some clearing. So.
So this is how you clean a trail. Make it wide, no debris left. This guy's doing extremely well when it comes to managing the park. Should be wide enough so you can manage the traffic, as it also becomes quite technical.
Saya almami jebati samba saya ko susu samba saya alaji samba.
Yeah, before we kissed.
Kala julaye malta
Square and well.
We are 1.5 km into Mount Bulusan, so I think we have around 700 meters more to go. We're waiting for Paul here at the second shed with everyone else.
It's dense now and very steep. So we're bushwalking our way. Still here, trying to approach the summit. Foggy morning. It's foggy, windy, and Paul is having cramps. It's good to bring some jacket and gloves, especially descending. The grass are really smooth. Okay, no clearing again. Creator is supposed to be here. I can see some of it, but not entirely. Whew. I don't know if you can see, but there's current approaching. Visibility is really low. Same scenario, but enjoying it regardless. Beautiful sight, beautiful flora and fauna. Guide ship, excellent. Independence Day hike. Yeah, June 12. Independence, Philippines.
Okay, we can't stay too long because it's really windy and I'm starting to feel the chills. So, and there's no point staying. There's no chance of having a clearing.
Sad.
sad in that case, but I still had fun. I'm glad I traveled here and saw the place again. Philip.
Hello guys.
Finally.
So happy Independence Day to all of us. We're here in Bulusan Volcano right now, together with our mayor and friends.
He's the guy responsible for all of this, the one I'm telling you earlier. He grew this thing. He's an outdoor enthusiast. If you see the jump off point, all the developments here is because of this guy. Nice.
You should visit us.
Yep. Fading our way.
إلى كون المعلي كفر من الكلام. Africa mela la nyukolo. Yo sawaji amna mana. Ayo barke. Jalia. Africa mela la nyukolo. Naksawaji amna.
Okay. That was a nice early breakfast. Oh, second breakfast. We had good weather. We packed up. Good teamwork. Doing the dishwashing, taking turns, cooking, and then helping each other pack up. Good old days. Teamwork. Hiking, backpacking. Going down to the trailhead to rush ourselves to get there before 12 so we could take a bath and catch the ride back to Manila.
In the back of a blue old pickup truck, you've got nowhere to go, although you're all gussied up. There's so much whiskey in his coke, it'll make her nose spin, but she swears that his love is a damn godsend. She ain't known God since she was a child. She used to play in the yard and she would dream of one day, till the world came around and took her dreaming away. Told her how to dress and act and smile. She's an Oklahoma smoke show. He's an asshole from back home. She'll never make it out alive. That small town bar scene